Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can upload high quality videos on TikTok in 2025. So if your uploads look blurry or compressed, here is exactly how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, I would recommend you to record at least 1080p or 4K. For that, instead of using your TikToks in app camera, I would recommend you using your phone's camera for better clarity. And as I said earlier, you need to make sure that you are recording at least in 1080p at 60 fps, or if possible you can also try recording on 4K at 30 fps for smoother playback and sharp visuals. You need to make sure that your lighting and the framing are also clear, and TikTok compress the poor footage even more, so make sure that these things are up to date. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is while editing and exporting, you can use editing applications like CapCut, VN, InShot in order to trim or polish your videos. Now when you are exporting, like in CapCut, as you can see, we have 1080p resolution in the top, and over here you can basically also export in 2K or 4K resolution. So if your editing application is allowing you, I would recommend you to just export your video in 1080p or higher resolution. The frame rate can be 30 or 60 fps. For CapCut it is by default set on 30 fps, but I would recommend you to just select it at 50 fps. After that we will have the bitrate option. In CapCut it is known as code rate, so I would recommend you to make it high, or if the bitrate option is in mbps, make sure that it is 10 to 20 mbps. Then you need to click on the export option in the top right hand corner and click on the option of continue exporting. Make sure that you avoid any filters or overlays that reduce the clarity. Afterwards you need to open your TikTok mobile application. Then you need to just press this plus icon in the middle. So once you click on this plus icon, you will see the more options or the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Now in that settings you need to just enable the upload HD or allow high quality uploads, and this may vary depend on your region and your device, so you may or may not find this option, but if this option is available in your TikTok, you will have to simply enable that, and this way TikTok will not compress whatever you are going to upload over here. Always upload in the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio, because TikTok is built for the full screen mobile viewing. Square or landscape videos lose the quality and the attention. So by keeping these few things in mind, you can definitely upload high quality videos on TikTok in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.